Hello everyone. Today we recommend you a large concrete pump, 80 type electric pump. The equipment is widely used in concrete delivery, in construction projects, bridge and tunnel construction, agricultural infrastructure, construction, and other projects. The pump is 4.5 meters long, 1.7 meters wide, 1.85 meters high, and weighs 2,700 kilograms. Equipped with 75 kilowatts high-power pure copper motor. The pump adopts a well-known brand pumping system with few wearing parts and simple maintenance. The pump adopts a well-known brand pumping system with few wearing parts and simple maintenance. Stones within 5 centimeters can pass easily, 50 cubic meters per hour. Horizontal conveying distance, 450 meters. Vertical conveying distance, 150 meters. It can meet various concrete pumping needs. We can also customize diesel pumps and pumps with mixer to meet more working conditions. There are various pump types to choose. Contact us and we will provide you with quality equipment and services. Shotcrete Machinery, your best choice.